going on, guys? 4 and 3 bros, back with another video. Taylor, what are you doing in your car?
Doing a new intake on it.
Doing an intake?
Yep.
All right, that was easy, huh?
2 bolts.
2 bolts.
I already took the bolts out of this one. This one's hard to get to.
Yeah, so he took the bolts out. I'll show you where they were. Down there. In there. What are they, 10 mils?
Yeah.
Long, deep.
Everything on this
mils.
car is 10 mils.
You loosening up the screw right here. It's kind of crazy that's that easy to come out. Sun is washing everything out. But,
Alright, let's
so,
show them what we got.
What are we replacing this with?
We got a fancy pipe from
Spectre.
I don't even know who I bought it
In
from.
a nice bag.
In a nice
that would make
bag.
a really cool
Doesn't
shift
make
knob bag.
sense. They put the nice cheap pipe in an expensive bag.
So you paid for the bag.
But the filter from the same company comes in a plastic
Yeah.
bag.
Yeah. I have the same one on the Jetta.
And then what else did we get? You want to show them?
What we got over here? This is a wastegate spacer. So she's gonna really make some noises.
Hopefully.
Tarabski noises. Hopefully.
That's the goal.
It's not for an Optima, right?
No, it's for a Sonata. 2013 Sonata.
Wastegate spacer. So you can see here, instead of dumping it into the intake, it's gonna dump it right into the atmosphere. So, first things first, Tyler's fitting the coupling on. Maybe.
I'm excited to do this. It's about
So excited he started taking things apart, and instead of getting the camera ready, and he normally yells at me for doing this shit, so I gave him shit.
Well, car's officially paid off.
Fuck you, B! You motherfucker!
I'm allergic.
I'm amazed you don't have an EpiPen yet.
Cause they're fucking $5,000.
They don't make EpiPens for bitches.
It's in your beard.
Kill the damn thing.
Friends.
Alright, so
What do you got?
got the filter on. And this car we literally paid off 15 minutes ago. So I own it now.
Fucking bee. Now that damn bee's dead. So what did you do? You just took it, slid it on the pipe?
Yep. And I wanted it a little longer so it pinch itself like that. So it won't move.
Yeah, it's not gonna. That doesn't work. That's too close. Can't have that. Can't have
We
that
gotta
like
cut
that.
it.
Yeah, take a little bit off. So we're going to shorten this pipe up. I'll put a link in the description below if you have one of these cars. And yeah, we'll cut it and we'll be right back.
All right. So, well, Justin's off changing his panties. We cut the tube a little bit shorter. It's now roughly 4 inches long. It is leaning forward a little bit. I just zip tied it up for now. It's not gonna stay that way until I build a bracket. I'm probably gonna build something that uses this grommet hole from where the factory airbox went. But this is just for now until I build something. So next thing is to put this on and then try it out and see how it comes out. So this is very simple. This was, I think, 20 bucks on Amazon, and it is for a, what do I do with it? It actually says it's for a 2013 Hyundai Sonata, but the 2013 Hyundai Sonata has the exact same motor as this. They just put it in a Kia first. They use this motor from 2011 to 2014. They use this motor in the Kias 2011 to 2013, in the Sonatas 13 and 14. So they're just 10mm bolts. So we're just gonna rip these off. So that's off, and then this is just gonna get sandwiched right in between. You just have to look on here first. There is a little pocket. You just have to line the pockets up. And that is it, just like that. So obviously gaskets go in because you want to seal up against that plate. And then this is going to go right on the back of it. So this is just going to blow it out rather than sending it back into the intake. Alright, let's put the bolts in. Alright, so now I got the Allen wrench. Just need to snug this up and then fire it up and see what she sounds like. On.
It's on.
Alright, well, it's just time to fire her up.
You get the keys with you?
Yep.
Ooh, listen to that. Do a little test. Ooh, yeah. That sounds good.
She don't sound bad.
Yeah. Hopefully you guys can hear it in the camera. I know I got the window down, but sounds pretty good.
Not bad for, yeah, a little bit. Not a bad little add-on for 20 bucks.
Yeah. All right, when we start up again, we'll do another clip. Ooh. Sounds good. You definitely hear the wastegate thing.
You hear
over
the intake when you're on the gas.
Yeah.
You hear the wastegate when you let off.
Sounds awesome.
Like I said, not bad for 20 bucks.
Yeah. Cheap little mods.
When I come the opposite way, I'll make sure to do it right here.
Sounds really good. It's not anything, you know, insane, but
Nah.
cheap little thing. It definitely gives it a little bit of the right noises to it.
It
So
does.
well worth it. Got some rocks. Maybe it'll bounce off the sound of bounce. I'll do a drive-by. I'll have him drive by me. Little afternoon toge session. All right, go ahead, try it. You can hear it inside too.
Yeah.
You can honestly hear it better inside than you can outside. You know, with the wind noise and everything, but I'll hop out of the car when he gets to the end of his road and I'll have him turn around. All right. There you go. That was a good little clip.
Not bad.
Not bad.
It's probably a little bit quieter outside the car, huh?
No, it's pretty loud outside the car.
Is it really?
Yeah, it sounds really good. It's tough because you got everyday traffic going by and stuff, but
yeah, exactly. Well, I'm happy with it. It's a little something until I do an exhaust or something on
Yeah.
it. So
yeah, it's the start of
yeah,
many things
it's
to
just
come.
a start. Next is it needs a good polish.
Needs a good
Needs a
polish, a
good
good
polish.
detail.
Yep.
We got some more mods in store for this.
Couple more.
Couple more.
Couple interior. A little bit here and there.
Yeah.
Gotta spice her up a little bit since she's gonna be mine very soon.
Yeah.
So,
All right.
I think that's a wrap.
Like, comment, and subscribe, guys.
Yes,
Stay tuned.
please. See ya.